Hello everyone, welcome to this Tongue Fix channel, and then this is Gani, and today's video I want to discuss about TubeBuddy. If you never heard about TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy is a tools for YouTubers that provides several features that I think the features is really cool, but I've searched many tools such as vidIQ and TubeBuddy, and then after a month, I think a month of journey to research about vidIQ and TubeBuddy, I think TubeBuddy is better than vidIQ. But however, I only use one feature from TubeBuddy. So for short, I think TubeBuddy is worth it only for one feature. So what is that particular one feature? The one and only is the thumbnail generator. Actually, it's not the thumbnail generator, but thumbnail builder. I would say thumbnail builder rather than thumbnail generator, because it grab from your static image on your videos, and then you can add some text or some shapes or anything into that, but not really rich feature on it. But let's we try how to doing that. So this is my other channel, this is my personal channel in Indonesia, and then as you can see, all the template looks similar. It's a black background with opacity about 40%, and then there is a font, words, only 2 or 3 words on it. All I use the TubeBuddy feature. So if you install TubeBuddy on your browser in Safari or Google Chrome, there is an option of thumbnail builder. If you open after you upload your videos, and then here you can see this is the option of create thumbnail over here. If I click this one, and then I can grab from my video still frame from video. I can click this one, and then I can crawling to my video, which video is good, which image is suitable for this thumbnail, and then after that I can add some text on it, and then I can also customize the background. For instance, I would make like this, and so on and so on. It's not a really rich feature on it. It's really not so satisfied enough, I think. If you are using Canva, of course that's much better, a lot of feature on it. But the thing is, if you use this TubeBuddy thumbnail builder, you can do it fast, really fast. For me, I just make it this thumbnail only 15 seconds or maybe 20 seconds or less than 1 minute. I believe it less than 1 minute. So as you can see, even if maybe it's not really aesthetic, it's not really cool at the looks, but for me it's fine. So that's it, guys. This video I just share with you the TubeBuddy feature that I think this is the really killer feature for me. It's really good, the thumbnail builder. Let's get it on. Okay, you try. You can try by yourself, and then see you on the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to see on the next video about YouTube tips. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.